Hi, my name is Yi Yang and welcome to Yi's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make two sauces that goes great with egg rolls and other dishes including ribs and grilled meat. To make this creamy peanut sauce, you will need 1/3 cup of green onions, 1 lime, 1/3 cup of cilantros, 1/2 cup of peanuts, 1 to 3 chili peppers, 4 tablespoons of water, and 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. And if you would like, you can also add minced garlic into the mixture. First, we will take the lime and roll it on a hard surface. You can use a countertop or a cutting board like I am doing here. This will help release the juice inside the lime for our sauce. Take 1 to 3 chili peppers, take the stems off of them and put them into the mortar and crush the peppers up. Once the chili peppers have been crushed, add the peanuts into the mortar. Then use the pesto to crush the peanuts and mix it into the chili pepper. When the mixture of peanuts and chili peppers reach this consistency, pour it out into a bowl. Then add the cilantros, green onions, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, water, and fish sauce. Mix well. You can make this sauce in a blender as well. However, I prefer to use a mortar and pestle. This gives the sauce the perfect amount of crunch and creaminess from the peanuts. To make the chili sauce, you will need 1/3 cup of green onions, 1 lime, 1/3 cup of cilantros, 1 to 3 chili peppers, 4 tablespoons of water, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. Pour the crushed peppers into a bowl, then add the green onions, cilantros, fish sauce, water, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Then mix well. And here we have our two sauces. We have the peanut sauce and the one without peanuts. And they go great with egg rolls. And I have some egg rolls to try with them. Let's try the peanut sauce first. Delicious. Okay, let's try our other sauce. Perfect together. All right, and here we go. That is our sauce. Until next time, cheers.